Ready to upgrade your kitchen? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best air fryers you can buy right now, comparing cooking performance, capacity, features, and value to help you choose the right one. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6.5 QT, 7-in-1, Gray, AF182 AMZ, Max Crisp, Broil, Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, Dehydrate, 450F Max, fits 9 pounds wings. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is designed for home cooks who want fast, crispy meals with less oil and minimal effort. It's best known for its 6.5 quart capacity, 7-in-1 cooking functions, Max Crisp technology, and high cooking temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Combining air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, reheating, and dehydrating into one appliance, it's an excellent choice for busy families, couples, and anyone looking to prepare healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. In real-world use, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL easily handles everything from French fries, chicken wings, and frozen snacks to roasted vegetables, salmon, burgers, and homemade desserts. The spacious 6.5 quart basket can hold up to 9 pounds of chicken wings, making it ideal for family dinners, game day gatherings, or meal prepping. Although the basket-style design is perfect for most everyday meals, users who regularly cook multiple dishes at once may prefer a larger oven-style air fryer. For most households, however, the combination of generous capacity and quick cooking performance makes it a versatile everyday appliance. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is an outstanding choice for American buyers who want a reliable, high-performance air fryer that delivers crispy, flavorful meals quickly while offering multiple cooking functions in one easy-to-use appliance. Number 2. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, Convection Oven, 17 touchscreen presets fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shutoff, large easy view window. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Oven is an all-in-one countertop cooking appliance designed for families and home cooks who want more versatility than a traditional basket air fryer. It's best known for its 10-liter family-sized capacity, 17 one-touch cooking presets, built-in rotisserie, dehydrator, convection oven, and easy-to-use digital touchscreen controls. Instead of preparing only air-fried foods, this appliance combines several kitchen appliances into one compact unit, helping save both counter space and cooking time. In everyday use, the Chefman Air Fryer Oven handles a wide variety of meals, including crispy French fries, roasted chicken, pizza, vegetables, baked goods, dehydrated fruit, and even whole rotisserie chicken. The convection fan circulates hot air evenly throughout the cooking chamber, helping food cook faster while creating a crispy exterior with little to no added oil. The large viewing window and interior light allow users to monitor food without opening the door, helping maintain consistent cooking temperatures. Although the larger design occupies more countertop space than compact basket-style air fryers, it offers much greater cooking flexibility for households that prepare a wide variety of meals. Overall, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Oven is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a versatile countertop appliance that combines air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, and rotisserie cooking into one spacious, family-friendly machine. Number 3. Versatility TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT, PFAS-free ceramic coating, dark gray 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 5-level fan speeds, 9-in-1 air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, keep warm, safety lock, 1725W. The Versatility TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT is a premium countertop appliance built for home cooks who want faster cooking, crispier results, and greater versatility. It's best known for its 6-quart capacity, 9-in-1 cooking functions, TurboBlaze airflow technology, PFAS-free ceramic-coated basket, 5 adjustable fan speeds, and temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're cooking weeknight dinners, meal prepping for the week, or making healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, the TurboBlaze offers impressive performance in a compact footprint. In real-world use, the air fryer cooks everything from French fries, chicken wings, and frozen snacks to salmon, vegetables, steaks, cookies, and even dehydrated fruit. The 5 fan speed settings allow users to fine-tune airflow depending on the recipe, producing crisp exteriors while keeping food tender inside. The wide temperature range makes it suitable for roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, proofing dough, reheating leftovers, and keeping meals warm before serving. One standout feature is the PFAS-free ceramic coating, which provides a non-stick cooking surface while making cleanup simple after meals. Although larger families preparing multiple dishes at once may prefer an oven-style air fryer, the TurboBlaze offers an excellent balance of cooking capacity, speed, and versatility for most households. Overall, the Cosore TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT is an outstanding choice for American buyers looking for a high-performance air fryer that combines healthy cooking, easy cleanup, flexible cooking modes, and consistently crispy results. Number 4. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 24 cooking functions and digital controls, 7 accessories included, stainless steel finish, 26 QT capacity. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium multifunction countertop oven designed for families that regularly prepare larger meals. It's best known for its 26-quart capacity, elegant French door design, 24 cooking functions, digital controls, and 7 included cooking accessories. Instead of serving as only an air fryer, this appliance combines the capabilities of an air fryer, toaster oven, convection oven, roaster, baker, broiler, and more into one powerful kitchen appliance. In everyday use, the generous interior easily accommodates pizzas, casseroles, whole chickens, multiple slices of toast, baking trays, and family-sized meals. The French doors open smoothly, providing easy access to food while creating a premium look that complements modern kitchens. Powerful convection technology circulates hot air evenly for crispy air-fried foods while also delivering consistent baking and roasting performance. The 24 preset cooking functions simplify meal preparation by automatically selecting cooking settings for popular foods, reducing guesswork for everyday cooking. While it requires more countertop space than traditional basket-style air fryers, the added versatility often replaces several separate kitchen appliances, making it a worthwhile investment for larger households. Overall, the Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is an excellent choice for American families who want a spacious, feature-rich countertop oven capable of preparing everything from quick snacks to full family dinners with outstanding convenience. Number 5. Gourmet Air Fryer, 4QT capacity, FryForce 360-degree, digital display with 8 presets, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, dishwasher-safe accessories, compact. The Gourmet 4-quart digital air fryer is designed for individuals, couples, and smaller households looking for an affordable way to enjoy crispy meals with less oil. It's best known for its 4-quart cooking capacity, FryForce 360-degree air circulation technology, digital touchscreen controls, 8 one-touch cooking presets, and compact size that fits comfortably on smaller kitchen counters. Despite its smaller footprint, it offers impressive versatility for everyday cooking. In real-world use, the Gourmet air fryer performs well when preparing favorites such as French fries, chicken tenders, vegetables, fish fillets, burgers, frozen foods, and reheated leftovers. FryForce 360-degree technology circulates hot air around the food to create a crispy outside while keeping the inside moist and flavorful, reducing the need for deep frying. Although the 4-quart basket is best suited for 1 or 2 people, it delivers excellent performance for everyday meals and smaller portions. Larger families may need to cook in multiple batches for bigger dinners. Overall, the Gourmet 4-quart digital air fryer is an excellent choice for American buyers seeking a compact, budget-friendly appliance that delivers crispy, healthier meals, simple operation, and reliable everyday cooking performance. That wraps up my top 5 best air fryer picks. I hope this comparison helped you find the perfect air fryer for your cooking needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.